Maharaji friends. Many of my friends were eager to know the story of my transformation. Me, Avadh Ojha, the history faculty in a very famous science institute, IS institute in India, next IS. So many of my friends across the world and especially in India, they wanted to know that how I got transformed. And today is the right time for me to tell you the reason, the person who made the big transformation in my life. My wife was attached to DWIJ Sangsthan for past 20 years, but I got attached to DWIJ Sangsthan from 2015. Although my wife was attached from past 20 years and I followed Maharaji's, I used to listen Maharaji's DWIJ Sangsthan's lecture and the pravachans and the kathas and all, and they started giving a new dimension to my life. The thought process started taking a new shape. And once the thought process started taking a new shape and the law of connectivity started developing, and finally I got a new life. Then I understood that Dwij is such an important word in Indian culture. It's a very important word. I used to teach in history, Dwij means twice born. But I am a live example of that. One birth is given by mother, and other birth is given by the Guru. So for me, the second birth is given to me by my Guru, Shri Ashutosh Maharaj Ji. Who is this Guru? Why he is so much important in Indian culture? Bharat means knowledge. Knowledge is a very different word. Generally people take it as a part of education. Education is for worldly thing. There are people who are aware about Archimedes' principle, Newton's law, national income, GDP, international affairs, but then also they are suffering. Knowledge and education are very different things. Knowledge example, the example of knowledge, Gyaan, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus Christ, Swami Vivekananda, Muhammad Sahab, Siddharth, was born in a royal family, well educated, not knowledge, well educated, but when he attained knowledge, he became Buddha, the immortal, guiding the entire world till today from 6th century BC. Vardhaman, same. Jesus Christ, Narendra got the Guru, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, and his light lamp started shining. Till today it is shining. Who is this Guru? Why he is important? Why everyone requires? India is a country where Guru is an important part of the culture of this country. Very important part. Bharat, 90% people are suffering today. 90%, irrespective of a good salary, good house, good wife, children, etc. and all, everything, all material things, but they are suffering. And they have excuses for them. Some say it's a story of the outcome of the past karma. Some say it's a outcome of the past karmas. Some say it's a fate. Some say it's a story of stars. There may be some truth in it. I don't deny all these things. There may be some truth in it. But in spite of all these things, there is one hope, a very big hope. If you get a light, if you get a Guru. Now, why these 90% people are suffering? Our life starts, all of us, starts from senses. These senses have limitations. I'll take the example of one sense. Tongue. There are very people who are very foodie. I was very foodie. But then the tongue has its limit. You can enjoy the tongue till the age of 40, 45, 50. If you have little bit health conscious and you do exercise and all, 60. Every sense has a life. It will be exhausted. After that you cannot use. And if your sense get exhausted at 40 or 50 and you are alive for the next 50 years, the next 50 years will be a hell. Next 50 years. Because you will be habitual of your senses for 50 years. And you cannot break the habit in 1 year. They have limitations. They are guided by a blind boss. Who's that blind boss? Mind. You see people suffering from obesity. Their body is deformed. They don't look good. Everyone makes mockery of them. Everyone laughs of them. Living at the level of senses and suffering is called as ignorance. Living on the level of senses and suffering is called as ignorance. Because there is a larger life. The unknown front of life, the hidden front of life, conscious, soul. The other side of the river bank. Unknown to us. That can be shown to us only by a person who has gone on the other side. And here comes the Guru. Here comes the Guru. One who tells you the path. He tells you the path. He gives you the blessings. And starts your journey. That is why every human's life is a life of struggle. No one is the exception. No one. Because we are born, and from birth to 20 years of age, 25 years of age, there are many human beings who never knew about this transformation. Their life was a waste. They did not knew. I am very lucky. I am very thankful to the eternal energy of universe and to my Guru. Otherwise I would have been a beggar. I would have been a beggar, or I would have been encountered by the police. And then the journey of Dhyan starts. How we will remind the common people? How we will remind everyone about this path, about this ideology, about this phenomena? So every year we celebrate the birthdays of enlightened people. Almost every community celebrates. Christians celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday. Sikhs celebrate Guru Nanak's birthday. Muslims celebrate Muhammad Sahib's birthday. We celebrate Lord Ram's birthday. We celebrate Hanuman Jayanti. And now Janmashtami is coming. Lord Ram is an ideal man, Maryada Purushottam, ideal king. Lord Shiva is ideal for yogis. Mainly. He's ideal for everyone. He's a superstar of Indian culture, but mainly for yogis. But Lord Krishna is an ideal for the worldly being. We people who are living in this world, there is no need to go to the jungle for 14 years. There is no need to sit on the Himalayas. You be the part of life. Be in this Mahabharat which is going on and enlighten yourself. So to spread this light, to promote this lamp, our institution, DWIJ Jagrat Sansthan, is celebrating Krishna Janmashtami in a very unique style, which I think will be appreciated by everyone. So I appeal and request to all my brothers and sisters across the world to be the part of this program on 30th August from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. Thank you.